Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a little welding project to do. We're going to take this landscape trailer and get that cage welded to the top of the railings. I guess he got this, buddy of mine got this cage, took it off one of his old trailers, and he bought a new landscape trailer, and he wants me to get it welded up on the railing, and maybe something about relocating the tail lights because they're kind of low. So we're going to get set up. We got to get the tractor out and get this box, this cage, lifted up onto the railing. It's pretty heavy, so I'm just going to use the tractor and some straps and pick it up. And we'll get the paint cleaned off and see about welding on there. Hey, let me get set up and we'll get going. All right, got the basket up in the air here. Went ahead and got the paint cleaned off where it's going to go. And we're going to do the same thing on these where they were cut off. We're going to get those cleaned up. Hopefully that wasn't too shaky on the trailer there. Well, that sits on there pretty good. Got to do a little adjusting here and there, but I think it'll be fine. Get it drug over to the container and hook up the welder to pull it down there. Get it welded on. Alright, got that trimmed up so where it sits down nicely all the way around. A little bit of a gap here and there, but we can fill that. I got it to where this front gate, when you open it up, it clears the tongue jack there. Nice. I have to put some sort of hasp on here where they can lock it, maybe in the center, something up here. We'll figure that out. that's going to get it. That ought to hold. I left one side open on each one of them, just in case they get water in there. The water will drain out, and so it doesn't freeze. And if it gets water in here and it freezes, it'll bust that tube. It'll crack it. So I just left a place where water can seep out there. Might even take and run a drill bit in there just to open it up some. Yeah, you'd be amazed of how big a piece of pipe that ice can split when it freezes, or when water freezes. Ice is already frozen. All right, I'm going to come up with some kind of a locking hasp for this thing and get back to it. All right, I got these tabs welded on all the way around, across the bottom as well. And I just use a little, like a half-inch diameter washer to shim that up, and then step the hole up to 7/16, so a nice big padlock will go on there and lock on both sides. And I took and I see if you can see that, I radius this down a little bit so the lock will fit in there better. And I did both sides. There's the other one. All right, got these all welded on nice. I don't think I'm going to get to the tail lights today. But anyway, thanks again for watching Projects with Paul, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.